Hi, it's Kim Zoller with ID360, and welcome to 2021 Wednesday Wirings. Here is the question for all of us. What are we going to learn this year? What are we going to learn that's different? So my dear friend and colleague Hannah Rutman gave me an article from the Wall Street Journal this weekend, which I cannot do it justice, so I'm putting a link in below. And it basically talked about how we learn as adults and starting with a beginner's mind. When we start with a beginner's mind, it's amazing because think about when you first learned stuff and how you were so fresh and green and wanted to take it in. And yet as adults, the older we get, the more we actually don't want to do that. And so the question is, do you have a growth mindset enough to say, what am I going to learn this year? And even though it is hard, I am going to really put my mind to learning something new. For me, I've decided that I am going to learn how to do Excel better. One thing I learned from the article that I find so interesting, and it makes sense, and that is that the more we actually take on the learning, the faster we learn. And so, when we're first learning something, it takes us a little longer. And then the more we're learning, the faster we actually our brain starts to process. So we're firing up parts in our brain that may not have been used. So the question for you is, what are you going to fire up in your brain? What are you going to learn? What are you committing to that is going to add to who you are and what you're doing? Good question for all of us. Have the best day.